Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making a delicious banana pudding with Oreo cookies. Let's get started. Okay, the ingredients you're going to need is going to be milk to make your pudding. I got 2 boxes of pudding mix. You're going to need some Cool Whip. I got 2 of those. They've been sitting out, melting. You're going to need your bananas, of course. Ooh, they're ripe bananas, so they're falling apart. Oh, throw that part away. All right, so they're overripened bananas. And then we've got our cookies. All right, so we're gonna get started with the layering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some bananas in there. Oh, I gotta get my cookies, my vanilla wafers. Got those. You know what? I'm not going to put vanilla wafers in this one. I'm going to make it the way my sister makes hers. She doesn't use vanilla wafers. So I won't be either. Another banana at the bottom. And you don't have to let your bananas get ripe like this. Because you're going to have to eat this pretty quickly, and we're having a party tomorrow, so we will be eating them pretty quickly. Okay. Okay, so that's the layer of that. Now we're going to do the cookies. I'm going to pop these cookies open easily. A reusable bag. My hands are slippery. I might need to wipe my hands off. Okay. Let me go grab a towel. Wipe my hands off. And I can open this thing. And it's slippery. There we go. Okay. All right, take the cookies. We're going to crumble them. Crumble them up. Oops. I used to put them in there whole, but now I've learned that you can crumble. You can crumble them. Nice layer of bananas. And cookies. Okay, then we're going to do a layer of Cool Whip. Open this Cool Whip container. First, I'm going to make the pudding. I'm going to do a layer of pudding, then do a layer of Cool Whip. So let me just come back. Okay, now we're going to add some pudding mix there. Then we're going to put the Cool Whip on there. All right, so I'm going to layer of Cool Whip. Still kind of frozen. Should have melted it. A little better. Cool Whip. Okay, that tastes yummy. And then we're gonna add some more bananas. Okay, with the bananas. Whoop. About to drop it. These bananas are super duper soft. Hi. Next, you're gonna add your cookies, a layer of cookies again. Crumbled up cookies. Try to get them onto the sides of the bowl so you'll have a pretty look. Pretty look to it. A few more cookies. That's delicious. Then we're going to add our Cool Whip last. Last layer of Cool Whip, and then the pudding. This one's probably going to be kind of hard as well. You know what? I should have added my pudding and then my Cool Whip. So let me add my pudding. Hopefully that will sink down and go in there like it's supposed to. Should have added that before I added my pudding, my Cool Whip. But you know, you make mistakes, you live and you learn. Get that pudding to sink down in there all the way around. Okay. This is so good, y'all. Just don't know how good this is. Once this is melted some more, I'll be able to spread it around better. But just, that's a lesson to you guys. Make sure your whipped cream is all the way melted. So set it out maybe an hour before you make the pudding. So I'm gonna let this sit out for a few minutes so that I can spread it easier. There's a piece of cookie in there. I ate it. So I'm just gonna let this sit out for a few minutes. And then you just grab a paper towel and you're just gonna clean up the edges. Clean up those edges. It's all about presentation. Let this sit out here for a minute. While it melts. But there you have it. Isn't that pretty? Delicious banana pudding. Made with Oreo cookies. Okay, there you have it. Banana Oreo pudding. There's a little spot right there, empty spot, because I forgot to put the pudding in first, but that's okay. Overall, it's pretty. And it's gonna be for my granddaughter's birthday party. And it's gorgeous. For this recipe and more, go to my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.